In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Slack. Whether you're using Slack for your team communications, project collaborations, or any other purpose, it's important to know how to properly sign out to protect your information and maintain your privacy when you're done. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, and I'll guide you on how to do this seamlessly. First things first, open the Slack application on your device. Whether it's on your desktop computer or mobile device, you'll want to make sure you're in the workspace from which you wish to log out. Once you have the app open, navigate your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your name displayed as part of the interface. Clicking on your name is an important initial step as it will open up a menu with various options related to your Slack account and workspace settings. Upon clicking your name, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you're going to look for the option that says Sign Out. Once you locate it, give it a click. Now, it's worth noting that this menu is where most of your account settings reside, so it might be helpful to become familiar with it if you aren't already. However, today our focus remains on signing out, so just select the Sign Out option. After you've selected Sign Out, you might be prompted to confirm your decision, particularly if you have multiple workspaces or if this is the only instance of Slack actively running on your device. If such a prompt appears, simply confirm that you wish to proceed with signing out. This step is an essential security measure, ensuring that accidental signouts do not occur without intent. Once you've successfully completed these actions, you will be logged out of the specific Slack workspace in which you were active. It's important to remember, though, that this process only logs you out of the chosen workspace. If you're part of multiple Slack workspaces, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one you want to sign out from. And there you have it, a straightforward and simple process to log out from Slack. Following these steps not only helps in maintaining security, but also ensures that you can have a fresh start the next time you log back in. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your experience with Slack a bit smoother. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, take care and stay productive.